How to save view once photos on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to save view once photos on WhatsApp. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device. Now open any conversation that you want to save the view once photos in. To help users share private or sensitive information that they might not want the recipient to save or share without their knowledge or consent, WhatsApp added the View Once privacy feature. However, if it is something important that you have to save, then if you try to screenshot a View Once message, an error message will appear and the sender will be notified of your attempt. However, even if you are not allowed to take a screenshot, there are a few ways to take screenshot of View Once images. So let's get going. Go ahead and firstly make sure the picture has been loaded and now enable airplane mode on your device. Now, open the View Once photo and take a screenshot and you will be able to take a screenshot and the message will not appear. So this was one way of taking a screenshot in WhatsApp. The other method is you can take a secondary device and take a picture from your other device when you open the View Once photo. So this is how you can save View Once photos on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.